Hi everyone and welcome back to my Canada Immigration Explore YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to talk about Afghanistan immigration measures. Please fill out this form to inquire about our immigration measures for Afghanistan. Your responses will assist us in better understanding your situation and directing your request accordingly. Please note that completing this form is just the initial step, and it does not constitute an official application for any immigration process. Now, let's fill IRCC Webform special measures. First question is, which situation are you contacting us about? Select Situation in Afghanistan. Next question is, what do you want to do? As you can see, there are a lot of options in the drop-down menu. I am going to select I need help with something else. Then click on Continue. Now, you will see the next page and it will take an estimated time to complete the form, 5 to 7 minutes. The next question is, tell us about yourself and who are you? In this scenario, I am selecting the option, I'm the principal applicant. Then click on Continue. Now, you will see IRCC Special Measures Form. Principal applicant page. After clicking the Continue button, include your own information on this page. If you are the principal applicant on the application you're asking about, haven't submitted an application yet, are contacting us for another reason, or are not sure who the principal applicant is. Next question is, where does the principal applicant live? I select Afghanistan. Next section is details about the principal applicant. Just enter your given name or first name. And check this box if the principal applicant has no given name, first name. Enter your family name, last name. Enter your email address. Enter your confirm email address. Enter your phone number. Enter country code without plus. Only enter 93 and then enter phone number. Enter your date of birth. Enter your country of birth. Next section is details about a previous application. This information will make it easier to find your application and process your request. If you haven't applied yet or don't have information about your previous application, skip to the next section, Supporting Information. Select the application category. According to your situation, select option, and I am selecting refugee option. Next question is, which application did the principal applicant submit? According to your situation, select option, and I am selecting refugee claim. Next question is, what information do you have about the principal applicant or their application? According to your situation, select option, and I am selecting passport travel document number. Check this box if you don't know the application number, unique client identifier, UCI, or passport or travel document number. Now, enter the passport or travel document number. Now, select issuing country. I am selecting Afghanistan. Next question is, how did the principal applicant apply? I am selecting online. Now, have a look at supporting information section, additional family members. If the principal applicant will be traveling with other family members, enter these family members in the following way. Use the format, given name, last name, date of birth, example, John Doe, January 1st, 1970, use a separate line for each family member. Next question is, tell us about the principal applicant's situation. Don't include information that you've already provided in this form. I write a 1,500 characters about the principal applicant's situation. You can read it by stop or pause the video. Next section is, upload documents related to your request. Some requests require that you upload certain documents. Make sure you understand which documents you need to include before you submit this request. File size and format, maximum number of files, 5, maximum file size, 3 megabytes per file, 4.5 megabytes total combined file size, accepted file formats, DOC, DOCX, PDF, JPG, TIFF, or PNG. To submit more than one document in desktop, hold down the Control, Windows, or CMD, Mac OS, key when selecting files. On mobile devices or tablets, it depends on your operating system. After that, you will see IRCC Special Measures Form. Review your request page. Review all your answers on this page. If you made a mistake or want to change something, use the Back to Questions button at the bottom of this page. Here's what you've included in your request. In the end, select I've read and understand the above consent and disclaimer. Click on Submit your request. In the end, I would like to request you please like the video and subscribe Canada Immigration Explore YouTube channel, and also share this video to your friends and family members for Canada immigration updates. Thank you, see you in the next video, take care.